Let's move on. Anuj is now joining in with a quick trade setup and how he's seeing things. Anuj, good morning.
Good morning, Prashant. Well, you know what? The index I'm focusing on is Bank Nifty after yesterday's big breakout. And that breakout happened as soon as you crossed 44,205, which was a level that we were watching out for. And it looks like it's set to cross the 20 and the 50-day moving average in the gap up. That level is 44,725 to be precise. The Nifty also set to cross 19,529 or at least test 19,529, which is the 20-day moving average. The issue is if this gap up sustains after yesterday's rally. If it does, then expect short covering. And if that is the case, then focus on stocks or indices where you have shorts. Let's go through that. The Bank Nifty, which is 4% off highs, and the Nifty, which is 2.7% off highs. But more importantly, some big stocks. Kotak Mahindra Bank, 14%. Bajaj Finance, 11%. HDFC Bank, 10%. SBI, 8%. And Tata Motors, around 8% of the highs. I think the game today is about sustaining the 20-day moving average on the Nifty. If it does, then you expect more short covering. Weekly expiry today, and yesterday was the first day of fresh move. Normally in our markets, the expansion moves last for 3 days. The second day is even bigger, and third day in the first half, you normally have a move. So yesterday was the first day. Let's see. The only risk is that if this breakout was false or a fake breakout, I think we'll know that if you start to break yesterday's low. So that becomes sacrosanct level. Now, in terms of levels to watch out for both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty on the upside, the first level I'm watching out for on the Nifty is 19,528, which is the 20-day moving average. And the biggest is 19,648, which was a last swing high that we hit about 2 weeks back. And from there, the market started consolidating. First support 19,444, the yesterday's closing level, and 19,366, yesterday's low. This zone is very important for the Nifty to defend. On the Bank Nifty, let's look at what 44,500 call did yesterday. Despite the big rally, there was a lot of call writing towards the end in 44,500 call. In fact, open interest of almost 50 lakh shares and premium of only 104 rupees. So if you start to cross 44,604, which is the first resistance, I think there would be some nervousness among those call writers. And the bigger resistance would come in at 44,725, which is a 20 and 50-day moving average. If you start to close above that, or start to trade above that even for an hour, you would see big short covering. And the stock I'm watching out for actually is HDFC Bank. If that starts to fire, I think you can see big rally. But that's a big if. That's underperformed for so many days. Support comes in at 44,479, yesterday's close, and 44,205, which was the breakout zone. Erstwhile resistance should now act as support.
All right, Anuj, thanks a lot for that. Well, that's the market setup as Anuj sees it. Let's